Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can connect this kind of microphones which we usually purchase to record our voice and all those stuffs. We can easily connect this kind of microphones with our tablets, with our smartphones, but whenever it comes to connecting this kind of microphone with our desktops or with our laptops, then it becomes a little bit difficult for many of you. And also it was a requested video from one of my subscribers. Actually he was also facing this kind of problem in connecting this device, that is this microphone, with his laptop, and so he requested me to do this video. And here in that case you need to do some changes in your settings and all those stuffs you need to do, so that you can use this microphone directly with your laptop or with your desktop to record your voice, which I will be discussing in this video. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. I will be showing you the whole process by connecting that microphone with my desktop itself. But if you are using any laptop or something like that, whatever you are using, suppose you are using a desktop like me, and there you will find two jacks that are provided at the front of your CPU, and that are, first one is for the headphone, and the second one is for recording all those voices and all those stuff. So at the front you will get two ports for those two purposes. But whenever you buy laptop, the laptops basically comes with a single port, that is the headphone jack. In that case, don't worry about that. In that case you need to purchase a splitter, that is you need to buy it separately from Amazon. I will also be providing the link in my description box down below. You can definitely click on that link and purchase that item. You need to purchase that splitter. That splitter basically consists of two ports that comes out from a single one. That single one goes inside the port of your laptop, that is the headphone jack. And also from there you will two ports will come out. The first port is for the headphone jack and the second port is for the microphone purpose. And so in that case, if you are using a laptop, you need to purchase that splitter and then follow the rest of the part. One thing which I would like to mention before starting this video is that if you are using any kind of wired microphone, suppose which I am using, this one is the wired microphone from the brand called Smashtronics. I have already made the unboxing video of this particular microphone which I am currently using now on my channel. If you haven't checked that video out yet, you will find that link in the description box down below, and from that video you will also get the purchase link of this particular microphone. You can definitely check it out. It is a very good microphone. And also if you are using any kind of wireless microphone supposed to record your voice, then the process is more or less similar. I will be discussing everything in this video, and so let's start. Okay, so now let's observe this thing carefully. As you can see that there are two ports provided, as I already mentioned you earlier. That is this one, the green one is for the headphone purpose. That is, as you can see that there is a headphone icon here, and here this one is for the recording purpose. And if you are using any laptop, you will need to buy that splitter, and on that splitter itself there are two symbols, that is these two symbols are provided, and so you don't need to worry about that. And so this one is the cable, that is the you need to install, that is you need to put it inside this microphone jack, that is like this way. You need to connect it with that microphone jack. As you can see that here it is provided that this one is microphone and this one is the headphone jack, so you need to connect it here as well. Okay, so after inserting this microphone jack inside the microphone port itself of your desktop or of your laptop, basically all you need to do is to go down here. As you can see that if every one of you will find this kind of speaker option here. If your system is connected to any kind of external speaker from where the audio comes, if your system is connected to the any kind of speaker, you will find this kind of speaker option. All you need to do is to just right click on it first. From here you will find these options, that is open, volume, mixer, then playback devices, recording devices, sounds, and volume control options. All these options you will find. All you need to do is to just click on sounds here, and here you will find that this kind of box will come. From here you need to go to a playback here, as you can see, and here you will find all the devices which are actually capable of connecting to your desktop. Basically here, as you can see, that this one is the speaker which I am currently using now. It is connected, but this microphone which the jack which I have inserted, it is not showing here, as you can see. So all you need to do is to click on recording, as it is a recording device, so you need to click on this recording option first. So after clicking here you will find this option, that is no audio devices are installed, which means that there is no audio devices actually installed in this device, and already I have installed it, but still it is not showing. This kind of problem generally arises for many of the users. So all you need to do here is to just right click on this white box like this, and here you will find these two options here, that is show disabled devices and show disconnected devices. All you need to do is to click on show disabled devices like here, as you can see. Okay, so after you click on it you will find this option, that is microphone high definition audio device disabled. So in most of the cases this microphone option gets disabled automatically, so you need to turn it on manually. So here all you need to do is to just again right click on this option like this, and here you will also need to click on this option, that is show disconnected devices. You also please click on it, and here if you are using a desktop basically, then you will find these two options, that is this one is the microphone and this one is also the microphone. So among these two, one is for the front jack and the another one is for the back jack, that is the back. That is, in case of CPU you get two kind of jack, that is one remains in the front side and another one is in the back side. So these two indicates that, and this one is separate for separate purpose. All you don't need to do anything with that. So here all you need to do is to just click on this first one and click on enable here. So after enabling it, if you see that not connected in, then it means that it is for the back port, that is the backside port. But since we have installed this particular mic in the front port, so you need to just again click on right click on this option, that is you need to right click on this option and click on enable here. So after you enable it, so here as you can see that after enabling it, here you will find that there is a green colored tick here, as you can see, and here you will also find this kind of bar here. Here this bar indicates, as you can see, that I am not recording it using my microphone, but still as I am telling you all these steps, this microphone is receiving everything, and so the bar is going up and down, as you can see. So basically all you need to do is to make this microphone as your default device. In that case, if it, as you can see that this one is already showing as a default device, if it doesn't show, then again right click on it. As you can see that this one is disabled, so nothing to do, as here it is enabled, so you need to just right click on it, and here you will find an option that is make as a default device. You need to click on it if it is not set as a default device, but since it is already set as a default device, you don't need to do anything with that. Now after you do all these steps, all you need to do is to just click on this icon here. After it remains selected like this, you need to go to properties here. Here you need to click on properties here, and here as you can see that this microphone is connected with the front jack. As you can see, you will be shown an option that is front panel 3.5 mm jack is connected. That is, I have connected this particular microphone that is this jack in the front side of this device, that is the front panel. So it is showing all those stuff. From Here basically you can change the icon, but I am not going to all those details. And now here you need to make all those settings, that is to record a perfect voice, you make changes to these settings, so please listen it carefully. So here you will need to go to at first here everything is done. Now here you need to go to listen here. As you can see that you if this box is ticked, that is if it is checked, then please uncheck it. You don't need to allow this option, that is if it is checked like this you need to uncheck it, and if it is unchecked then leave it like this. And here you need to go to levels here. Okay, so here in the levels section you will find these two bars are provided here. So basically what the settings remains is that for many people it is like this and like this. So in that case if your microphone is not a very good one, then it will not be able to capture your voice perfectly. So in that case you need to increase this receiving capacity, that is you need to extend it to 100% like this. And also you need to click on the microphone boost. As you can see this microphone boost, you see first thing that if you before increasing that microphone boost, it is showing 2 bars. After you increase that microphone boost, then as you can see that how much high or loud I speak, this green colored bar will go up and down like this. Okay, so please make sure that you always make these two settings to its highest possible level as possible. And many of times what happens is that this particular icon remains closed, that is this kind of disabled option is there. As you can see this red, if you can see please check it out, that here this red colored cross icon is there. If this is there, then as you can see that I am speaking, but still the green colored bar is not showing at all. That means that you are disconnected from your microphone and your microphone has stopped and it is not receiving your voice. In that case you need to remove that red mark by clicking on it, and again when you click on it you will again find that this level is going up and down, as you can see. And from here you need to at last you need to go to, for every changes you make you please click on OK here. Okay, so after that you will find here advanced option. You need to click on this advanced option once, and you need to leave the settings as it is shown here. You don't need to do anything like that. So one thing that you can do is that you just click on it, and here you will get different kind of channels which resembles different kinds of hertz, that is the frequency rate. So if you are deciding to make any changes, you can definitely change any of the settings from here. As you can see that it is of different hertz basically, that is it of studio quality. Here you will get studio quality, this is CD, and the default is that is the DVD quality is the default. But if it works for you whenever it is in the default setting, but then leave it like this. I haven't made any changes. I just changed it to 9600 hertz, that is studio quality, because it makes the recording that is the voice recording a pretty better one, that is the clarity is much more in this option. I have checked all the other options. So after everything is done, so if you have already made any kind of changes and you are not able to make out which changes you have made, all you need to do is to just click on these default settings and it will all change to the default as usual, and then you can follow my steps as well. So after everything is done, you need to click on OK here. So here as you can see that whenever I am speaking, the bar is going up and down, which means that it is also hearing my voice, but it is not recording it currently. So now all you need to do is to just again click on this microphone. This is how your microphone is in driver is detected, and it has found out that your device has found out that this kind of device is installed here. But now you need to make your desktop aware of that you have already installed a microphone, and you need to record voices with that. In order to do that thing, all you need to do is to go to configure here. You need to click on here, and here you will be shown different options. That is the second option you need to do basically. Here, as you can see, that there is an option called set up microphone. You need to click on this option first, and here you will get a pop-up window like this. Here it says that the desktop microphone and the headset microphone and the desktop microphone. As it is a desktop microphone, no matter you are using a wired one, as you can see this one is a wired one, or you are using any wireless one, that doesn't matter. All you need to do is to just click on this desktop microphone here. Now you need to click on next here. Okay, so here it is now going to set up that. Okay, so after that you need to just click on next here, and here you need to read out this message, that is Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. You need to read this thing whole out first, and after you complete reading it, you will find this next option coming here. Okay, so here after you complete reading, this bar shows that your device is recognizing your voice, and after that you need to click on next here. So after clicking on next, you will find an option that is your microphone is now set up. The microphone is ready to use with this computer. Click finish to complete this wizard. All you need to do is to just click on finish here, and that's all for it. And this is how you can set up your microphone. As you can see, this one is already set up, and so it is showing these levels and all those stuffs. It is going up and down, which shows that it is receiving my voice which I am telling now, as you can see. And this is the way that you can turn on the microphone option that is there in your desktop itself. And also, if that doesn't work for you, then one thing that you can do is that this is a separate process which I am telling you. If that particular process doesn't work for you, because I have seen many problems that after doing this also some problem is still there, the people can't make out. So all you need to do is to just click on here, that is start option, and here you need to search for device manager. You need to search for that, and here you will find device manager. You just need to click on it here, and here you will also find that there is an option called sound, video and game controllers. You need to click on it here, and here you will find that there are plenty of devices that are there. That is, if you click on any of these devices, and you need to just click on update driver software. Sometimes it happens that your driver is not updated, and so it becomes difficult for your computer to find out the problem, and so it doesn't able to connect your microphone. And so you need to just click on update software, and here you need to click on this first option, that is search automatically for updated driver software. All you need to do after you click on it, if your driver software is not connected, not installed or updated, then it will show that the best driver software of your device is already installed, which means that you are ready to go, and now you can follow all those steps which I mentioned previously. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are facing this kind of difficulty in connecting their microphone with their laptops or with their desktops. And thanks for watching, and see you guys